Another beautiful day. We've each crew did a job. Well, cleaning, repairs. We gained up on the house here. So I got my truck here and the other crew over there. We're finishing the gutters here. Wide bottom fascia gutter. And then we have one more job after this. So a full busy schedule. So I made the gutter out of one piece. So we just take it up there and it's done. Don't have to fight. The corner up on the house. We got our roof up because it's so sunny. I wanted to show you those clean outs right there the customer has. Those are pretty cool. So they're basically like a gigantic screen right there. It's nice and open. And yeah, 3x4 downspouts with max flows. And we are doing the wide bottom, so you can see how wide the fascia end caps are coming out of that machine right there. And we're gonna make some more gutters. All right, folks, we have a corner. It's an inside corner on the house. I made a long piece. I've already measured right here where my next piece is gonna be. So what I wanna do is make a corner on the ground so we can just pop the gutter in. So some of you like to draw on the inside. I've been drawing on the outside for 20 years, so I'm comfortable with that. I put my miter template. I know I've seen you guys have this kind here, but I just like it on the outside. So I just line up my mark right there and I draw my lines here. If you come around this side, you see I'm drawing the lines here and here. I want the water to go that way because my downspout. So what I want to do is make tabs on this side. So all I do is move it over half an inch because I want this gutter to go inside of this one. So we don't need this anymore. I'll put that away. I will make a line on the inside as well for my reference point. So there's a little trick I do as well. You see these tabs right here? If you pay attention, watch what happens. I basically unfold the top, get it out of my way. I'm gonna leave this top section, you'll see why. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this nice and neat. And leaving the top there. I don't have reds with me, so I'll just use the big snips. And then you fold this away. I like to make a line from here to there with a little extra. If you look inside right here, I made a little bit of extra. And same thing here, I'm gonna go a little bit extra. That way I have someplace to put my screws. So next, what I wanna do is cut this out. And cut this side out. You see, I didn't cut it all the way because I can continue working right here. Watch how I do my tabs on the fascia gutters right here on the face. From here, right here, or there. I left this tab on top as well. So fascia is pretty simple. You just get rid of the little corners. Then you take your bender and you bend it on the line. Bend this out a little bit. And we got ourselves a nice corner. So next, I'm gonna shorten that up. So next what I'm gonna do is I got an extra stand right here. So I'm gonna set this up right here. And this is gonna be right over here. So when I fold this, I'm gonna lay the gutter right there. Watch. Now it's important to cut this properly with the proper scissors. You see how the material went up? So when I fold, it goes on top. That's what I want. So now I'm gonna fold this and set it right there, okay? So I don't have to do anything. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna continue. We'll hammer this nice and straight. Now, if you come around this way or that way, you can see the first thing I need to do is connect this bottom corner. So what I'm gonna do is grab my trusted hammer. What I'm looking for is these two lines to match. So I'm happy right there. This is gonna be good. Let's see. Right there, we're gonna put a couple screws. And we're gonna bolt it right here. Remember, I was showing you these little tabs? It gives me an extra bolting point. Look at that. Because normally these things rip if you don't have a support. And then I add a bunch of screws here. And we're gonna put some glue, and this corner is ready to be hung. So that way the guys don't have to mess around on top of the roof. I had time anyway. Put a bunch of screws.
Good job. Yep. Thank you, Tony. So we don't have to mess around.
Yeah. See? And then right here. Check out the inside. And that's it. I actually cut this gutter right here. I don't know if you can tell, because it's a porch gutter and I want to have extra slope. Don't worry, I'm not done just yet with the glue. I don't have to glue the back because it's a one piece. That's the beauty. And that's it right there. We'll get it smoothed out and we'll get this gutter hung. Thank you. Right, so that's how I glued it right there. And we're getting brackets installed. Max flow's already installed. And we're just gonna pop it on in one piece. So there it is, one piece of gutter. And all you gotta do is install it. No hassle. Just wanted to point out, I don't know how you guys work, but without the roof and 80, 90, 100 degree weather, this would be miserable. So having the shade, a little roof is a must. All right, so we hung the gutter, one piece. So no glue required in the back. And we didn't have to mess with the corner. There it is from the outside view. By the way, check out that downspout right there. There's another way to reduce the noise of water. If you angle the downspout like that, water rolls off on the face and it'll slow the water down. This is the final product. Looks really nice. Got the downspout in, and we got the other side done as well. All right, so now you know there's another way of connecting the corner. No fancy miters. It's basically a seamless gutter. You don't have to go and connect a bunch of pieces, and this is basically a one section. Pretty easy, just popped it in there, a couple screws. We actually lifted this side a little bit higher because these porches always tend to sag. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something today, and God bless.